Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
This is Maithili Hazarika in Delhi,
I'm Karishma Hasnat in Assam,
and together we bring you the Northeast Eye,
a snapshot of the sights, sounds and voices that makes the Northeast
India's most diverse and most interesting region.
Starting with the heartwarming story of a father and daughter in Guwahati and how they went on to form the Rainbow FC, a football club for kids who want to become future soccer superstars. Here's their story. A group of children chasing big dreams and a young man telling them how to do it. They are school students from humble backgrounds who love to play their favorite sport, football. Let's meet the members of Rainbow Football Club in Guwahati and their coach, Peter Alex. A journalist by profession who's also a football coach, Alex's first student was his daughter. And soon he went on to gather more kids in the area to make his dream team. It hasn't been easy. There are a lot of challenges to overcome and most importantly, to never give up. Alex, tell us, how did this happen and what are you preparing these kids for?
Basically, I'm a football enthusiast. Though not professionally, I have never played. I just played amateur.
You're a journalist.
I'm a journalist, but I somewhere in my dreams, I always had the desire to play football or deal things with football, like with kids, practicing with them or making them aware about football. So I started this thing with my kid, my daughter, when she was 6 years around. I brought her the field. And I thought of like starting this coaching center with her because there was no kids to bring along. So it was my kid, so I can bring her anytime I like. So I started bringing her and I started training her. And with that, 2-3 boys followed. And after that, we started a journey. That was I started in 2013-14 around. And since then, it's going on. And she was the only one. And now we have around 40 kids, boys, and all learning football.
So, and how do you plan to take this forward? Would you also tell us about the challenges you're facing?
See, any sports, we have a lot of challenges, and especially football, like people are so passionate and enthusiastic, but you don't have that infrastructure, basically fields. You don't have grounds to play football. No doubt, there are small grounds where you can enjoy football. But the other more important thing is that you need a platform where you can compete. So we don't have a lot of competitions here where the kids can play, kids for tournament for kids. We don't have anything. Recently, this baby league has started. It's good, but then still then we need local organizers who start, organizing tournaments for maybe under 10, under 12.
So how are you training the kids?
Basically, I just come from my duty and get my time out and join them in the field. And I have some other friends, Subhas, Papu, Bhaiti, and they all help together because alone it's difficult. Sometimes when I'm not there, they take care of the kids.
Since when have you been playing football?
মই 5 years old পৰা খেলি আছো মই
আচ্ছা আৰু 5 বছৰ পৰা তুমি খেলি আছা ইয়াতে খেলি আছো
তাৰছত এনেকা বেলেগ বেলেগ জেগাত চালে লৈ যায় খেলিবৰ কাৰণে তাৰছত তাতে খেলি আহো তাৰছত আহি কিনে এতে গেমৰ কিবা ৰুল কিটা বুজায় আৰু এনেকা কৰি নেখেলিবা ডিসিপ্লিন মেইনটেইন কৰি খেলিবা বুলি তাৰছত ফিল্ডটো গোটে আমাৰ ধুলি হৈছে
কি অসুবিধা পাইছা এতিয়া
ইয়াতে অসুবিধা আমি বাৰিষা দিনৰ পুৰা বোকা হৈ যায় আহিব নোৱাৰে বন্ধ থাকে আৰু ফিটাটো পিছফালে দেখা পাইছে আপোনালোকে পুৰা ধুলি তাৰছত বেলেগৰ চকুত সোমাই যায় এনেকা সবৰে দিগদাৰ হয় আৰু আহিবৰ কাৰণে সেইকাৰণে কিছুমানে বুট নাই জাৰ্চি নাই এনেকা তাৰছত আমাৰ ছাৰহেঁতে এনেকা দিয়ে আৰু কিছুমানক
Who's your favorite player?
My favorite player is Sunil Chhetri.
What are the challenges you're facing? কি problem হৈছে তোমালোকৰ এতিয়া
মই এতিয়া জাৰ্চি পোৱা নাই ফাটা বুট ফাটা মোজা আমাৰ ফিল্ডখন খেলিব ভাল নহয় আমি দুখ পাওঁ খেলিলে এইবিলাক প্ৰব্লেম আছে আমাৰ
Meet Mariana. She's only 12 years old and she started training under her dad from a tender age. Now she can do at least 100 kipi-uppis. Mariana, since when did you start playing?
I started playing when I was 6 years old.
So your dad is your number one coach?
Yeah.
And what do you have to tell about him?
Actually, when I was 6 years old, I started playing football under my father's guidance. He used to take me with him to the field and slowly I started playing football. I started taking interest in it and now I'm still playing and I'm a student here.
Okay, so how many kipi-uppis can you do?
Once I did 185.
Let's ask these kids who are their favorite soccer players. What about you?
Messi.
Messi.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Wow. So learning from Ronaldo's discipline and professionalism and Messi's talent, Rainbow FC looks quite promising. Alex is doing all he can to help these children pursue their goals. They are young and they're learning to play as a team. Will they make it big? Well, we surely hope they do. And if you wish to help, please reach out to the team.
A video of two soldiers in uniform performing Bihu amid snow has gone viral online. The two men can be seen merrily performing the traditional Bihu dance of Assam with rifles strapped to their waist. Let's take a look.
And that's all we have for you today in Northeast Eye, but we leave you with visuals of snowfall in Sikkim.
That's all we have for you today in the Northeast Eye.
Please tell us what you think of this video. Send us your suggestions and ideas.
And subscribe to the Prince YouTube channel.
This is Karishma Hasnat signing off.
This is Matli Ajarika signing off.